You want to make certain that your booster club is made up of people who are supportive of the band program, of you and your philosophy. You want to talk to them frequently. Keep the lines of communication very open and make sure that you are discussing every aspect of what goes on in the program. They need to have a firm grasp of your philosophy, of the why we do what we do, not just having you come to them with requests for more money or more volunteer hours. Make sure that their jobs are clearly defined. Make sure that they have information to work with. And we've discovered a wonderful system based on the program developed by David Vandewalker, in which our committees each have a notebook. And in that notebook, they have information about the specific activity, be it a fundraiser or an event, or being, for example, the chaperone chairman or travel chairman. In there, they have everything from timelines starting 6 months ahead of an activity, working all the way down to just days before, and then through the activity itself. They have contact information for anyone that they have worked with. They have a list of supplies necessary for that particular activity or fundraiser. They have past projections of potential income versus actual income. They will have statistics about anything that happened during their reign of being in charge of that particular activity or event. And it's easy to pass along then to the next generation so that you're not always having to re-educate everyone. You're not having to say the same things year after year. Or more importantly, information does not get distorted and we lose things in the translation. So clear lines of communication, making sure that your philosophy is solid, keeping the band parents aware of everything that goes on in the program. You'll have a great booster club.